Absolutely. Government sources have told ET now that Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has directed officials from METI, or the Ministry of Electronics and IT, to summon Meta officials. And remember, this summoning is with respect to a case that's related to child sexual abuse material. In fact, what we're given to understand is that an explanation will be sought from Meta officials on how these ads were there in the first place. These ads also contain words like rape video, etc., and they were offered to users before content actually played. So, of course, the officials are going to sort of summon Meta officials to find out how these ads were played and how were they not stopped in the first place. So, of course, those are going to be the two lines of questioning as far as this particular case is concerned. And remember, this is after a report that suggested that Instagram's recommendation systems have begun surfacing these sexually explicit clips, sexually explicit material and content before paid ads, and they actually contain terms like rape video and child video. Remember, this is the latest set of actions that's coming in on Meta by the Ministry of Electronics and IT, because just a few days back, remember, the government had sort of issued a notice to WhatsApp over its username feature. In fact, the government has sought an explanation from WhatsApp over that feature and said that this feature cannot be rolled out without due prior consultation. And remember, consultation is something that the Indian government believes in. So, of course, questioning on that is due as well. And, of course, the government is expected to speak with Meta on the child sexual abuse material case and, of course, on the WhatsApp username issue as well. And they will be seeking safeguards from WhatsApp because there are concerns that are emanating as far as this case is concerned over impersonation, over spam, and, of course, over fake user IDs as well. And, of course, important to also note that the duration that the government had given to Meta for 3 days, that gets over tonight.